Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to create an account on Rednote. Right, so it's very easy, so let's get started. All right, so the first step you have to take is to quickly head to App Store or Play Store and search for Rednote. Right, so once you see the app right there, click on the install button and install the app. Right, so once you have it installed, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and launch the app on your phone. Right, so once you launch the app on your phone for the first time, this is the interface you're going to see. Right, so if you want to create an account from here, what you have to do is to come down here and click on this radio button. Right, you have to click on that to confirm that you have read and agreed to the following policies, terms, privacy policy and protection rules for children / teenager. Right, so once that is checked, next thing you want to do is to click on the login button. All right, so once you click on that, you'll be able to either log in with your phone number or with Facebook or with your Google account. All right, so I prefer using my Google account, so I'll select this option right here. Once that is selected, I have to click on agreed and continue button. Right, so go ahead and make sure you read the terms, privacy policy and protection rules for children and teen. Right, so if you want to do that, it's right here. Click on these to read. Right, so once you are done reading, you can now click on agreed and continue button. All right, so next thing you have to do is choose your Google account. Right, so I'll just go ahead and select this one and click on continue. Then it will start signing in. All right, so next thing you want to do is to choose your gender. So if you're male or female, select it, and then your date of your age. Right, so for example, I'll just go ahead and select this one, and then I'll click on next at the bottom of my screen. All right, so you have to select your interests. So are you interested in funny videos, travel, vlog, or fitness, whatever? Just go ahead, select it right here and click on start exploring at the bottom right corner. Right, so yeah, it says follow people who you like. All right, so click on next, and then you can start exploring. So this is the for you page where you can find videos on Rednote. Right, so you can just go ahead and select any of the video like this and start watching. Right, so you can like, you can comment, and you can share a video just like it is on TikTok. Right, and also you can follow any user you find their video interesting. So that's it. Hope this guy was helpful and you now know how to create an account on Rednote. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.